Hi, this is Helena Zara with Viana Yoga. I conduct sound journeys and with gongs, singing bowls, alchemy crystals. One of my very dear and important teachers in training has been Don Conreaux, and he is a gong master, has been teaching yoga for many, many years, and he has shared the universal agreement that I think is such a profound way to connect with others. It's also a blessing and prayer to help with our relationships and also to bring us together. And so I'd like to share this with you today. I offer you peace. I offer you friendship. I offer you love. I hear your needs. I see your beauty. I feel your feelings. All wisdom comes from the highest source. I honor that source in you. Let us work together. You are in and of my true self, and I, another yourself. We are one. So be it. Namaskaram. Thank you for listening, and please come visit us at the studio. We are in upstate New York, in Manlius, New York. Have a blessed day.